It's Ray, I'm the founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. I love to thank all of you for making your way here. And today's event is proudly brought to you by Forex 100 as well as Alp Social. So Alp Social is an online leading free forum for people in the finance sector to have discussion. And head on to our page in Alp Social, that is www.alpsocial.com/forex100.org, because right now every week we are sharing our additional trade ideas educator, cover as many as 9 more currency pairs on top of the existing 3 pairs that I commit to do every week on trading strategies and setups, so you will be ahead of everyone else. And these 9 additional pairs are the currency list that we look into for this midweek market analysis. So you receive this video way before everyone else. Alright, so head on to www.alpsocial.com/forex100.org to redeem it. Alright, so let us get started on this analysis. Euro dollar, let us look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, we can see that euro dollar is a downtrend movement. Market did retest, retrace back into the previous resistance. So head down to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that the market retest the previous high, respected it, and start to go down, which give you a very strong clue it is pretty bearish. Head down to 1 hour. On 1-hour chart, this is what we have. Alright, market created new high. This can be considered as a head and shoulder, by the way, guys. Alright, so head down to back to the daily chart. I'll share with you my analysis. My analysis is pretty straightforward. On the 4-hour chart, this is a sell zone I'm looking for, shorting opportunity. Sorry, based off the 4-hour chart, and there is a bearish deep Gartley formation, close at 1.1288. On the 1-hour chart, you will able to see this head and shoulder formation. Alright, so pretty cool over here, and there's a RSI divergence if you check your chart. Okay, so it looks something like this for the head and shoulder traders. This is what you have. So there is setup, just that. Did you check it? Yep. So this is a setup that most likely has completed the movement. Alright, so that's all I have for euro dollar. And right now I have a challenge for myself, is to complete all analysis within an hour. So if you do have any questions, feel free to post it up. Myself or my team will respond to you, and we are glad to support. Alright, so let us head to the next pair on pound dollar. So pound dollar, on the daily chart, there is a bullish shark pattern formation forming up, consolidation, then market break downwards. Head down to the 4-hour chart, there is a head and shoulder. So what happened is, as long as the market have not hit 1.2870, I still am looking to short this market extend all the way down to the completion of head and shoulder. Alright, head down to 1-hour chart. Nothing much for me, so I am practically just waiting for retracement back into this area for a shorting opportunity. So it's great to use color code, so you at least you know what you are looking for, and keep it simple. Alright, keep it really simple, so that you can benefit. It won't be so what you call distracting to you. Alright, so that is pound dollar. Alright, so next pair, let's head to dollar yen. Dollar yen, on the daily chart, market retest the previous high, then it slide downwards, creating new low. But once the market did retest and it did close at break and close below the low, it is a sign that it's going down. Aggressive trader might have already engaged. 4-hour chart, the market just slide downwards, and this is 1 hour. retest back into the sell zone. Back to the daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis on the daily chart. This is the sell zone I'm looking at for a trading opportunity, a shorting opportunity. Market did touch it before sliding down. Alright, great for those traders who have caught it, well done. 4-hour chart, market has slided downwards, then it went to a consolidation, head down to 1-hour chart. This is what I have on the 1-hour chart. So basically nothing much for me. I'm just waiting for a retest back into the sell zone for a shorting opportunity on dollar yen. Let us head down to euro yen up next. Euro yen on the daily chart, we can see that there is a break and close below the previous low, but it's within this long shadow over here. It's quite disturbing, but it does happen. The flash crash on the daily chart, we still have to acknowledge that. Head down to 4-hour chart, we can see that downwards movement. The market go into consolidation, and right now the market has break below. Have to just to make sure that it close below. This candle will close about 9 p.m. Yep, 9 p.m. Singapore time. If it close below, then this will be my new sell zone. They are waiting for retracement to short it. Alright, so this is on 1-hour chart. I believe there's some harmonic pattern. Let's take a look on the daily chart. This is the sell zone. 4-hour chart, this is the sell zone I'm looking for, a trading opportunity with this setup. If the market touches C point and it never go deeper, then the price I'm looking to short is 124.47 for a selling opportunity based off bearish shark. Recently I pretty much fall in love with shark pattern. In the past, traders that have followed me for quite some time, you know that I quite don't like this pattern. Don't quite like this pattern at all, because it is very tricky, like a shark, very crafty, ready to eat you up alive. And the fact is, a shark pattern can give you up to 3 entry price opportunity. So that's the tricky part. Alright, so head down to 1-hour chart. Alright, back to daily chart. And let's head to pound yen. Pound yen is moving upwards, break above and close above the high. Market retest, have the first break of the support. So it is still not a downtrend based off the daily chart. It needs to have a retracement and another break and close below the low price. To the 4-hour chart, you can see that the market slide downwards. Based off the 4-hour chart, the market is already on a selling spree. Alright, a sell zone right now form up at this area. So if you cannot define such rule, follow us closely. Alright, join our midweek session, and of course you can attend our workshop. Alright, this is on the 1-hour chart that I have. Back to the daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis. Alright, so based off my analysis, let's head straight to 4-hour. This is my sell zone, and on the 1-hour chart there is a bearish shark pattern as well, looking to form up. Usually I'll just post this to my subscriber after the candle has passed and break above B. Alright, so let us head down to the next pair, New Zealand yen. On the New Zealand yen, this is what I have, a sharp downwards movement. Market retrace, came back down to this wick area. So this is something that I don't quite like, because technically you still have to consider this movement. Yep. So head down to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, this is the movement. Alright, and this can be the sell zone. Alright, head down to 1-hour chart. Back to the daily chart, well, I'll share with you my analysis. Alright, so based off the 4-hour chart, over here this area is my sell zone, and within this sell zone that I have already shared in the Alp Social over here, New Zealand yen. Alright, I did mention the sell zone. Alright, you see, I like. Alright, so do not miss such a great additional analysis, and as I believe it will put you very ahead of time of other traders. Alright, so let us continue this. Right now there's a further development. There is this bearish shark pattern that may form up at 73.67, so take note for a shorting opportunity. So if you are my subscriber, don't worry, I'll post it in our chat group over here for the next trading opportunity. Alright, so let me head to the next currency pair, New Zealand dollar. On the daily chart, the market just slide downwards. To the 4-hour chart, market did break below and close below the low price, showing you this is a sell zone. To the 1-hour chart, back to the daily chart, I'll share my analysis. There are still two patterns that I'm looking at. So this is a sell zone, and just focus, there's a sharp pattern to complete at 0.6775. A lot of waiting this week, but at least there's setup. Alright, or alternatively, you can wait for market to retest back into this sell zone for a shorting opportunity over here. To the 1-hour chart, this is what I have. Alright, so this could be a sell zone based off the 1-hour chart between 0.6593 to 0.6562. Alright, so interesting setup. Yep. So New Zealand, that's New Zealand dollar. And head down to Australia dollar. Australia dollar on the daily chart. There's a break of the low, so definitely on a selling opportunity. To the 4-hour, alright, similar to New Zealand because they are kind of a bit correlated, although I don't use that as my trading guidance. Alright, so 1-hour chart, the market just slide down. Back to the daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis. Very simple, just a simple sell zone waiting for a test back into this area. To the Australia CAD, on Australia CAD on the daily chart, we can see that the market has broken the previous support, but these shadows still hold. Very troubling, correct? Yeah, man. Alright, so head down to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, the market just slide downwards, ski downwards. The 1-hour chart, bearish movement. Back to the daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis. There is a bullish godly setup, deep godly setup, complete at 9118. Still quite some time to it. Market at least is moving towards it. Let's see how it goes. On the 4-hour chart, the market break and close below the sell zone, so I'm waiting for a retest back in the sell zone for shorting opportunity. To the 1-hour. Alright, back to the daily chart. We have 3 more pairs to go. Whoa, these break records under 30 minutes for 12 pair. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to post it on the daily chart. This is what I have. There's an inverted head or shoulder, head and shoulder over here for a buying opportunity. To the 4-hour chart and to the 1-hour chart. Back to the daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis. This is the buy zone on the daily chart. Head down to 4-hour. There are 2 opportunities lining up. Of course, over here is a buy zone. If you manage to buy over here, great for you. Then the market over here has this bullish butterfly complete at 1.3301, one of my favorite number. And if you look left, this is the previous support level, and there's a bad pattern that completes slightly earlier, 1.330. Sorry, the bad pattern complete at 1.3303, and the butterfly pattern complete at 1.3290. Alright, so 3303 better entry price because there is a support over here. Alright, so you can see that if we head down to 1 hour, I'm waiting for this candle to close and I may do a aggressive short. First target 1.3456. Alright, this is something I'm eyeing at. Dollar CAD, very great reward is the risk opportunity. You see 1 hour chart. Let's see how it goes. And always have a note taking when you are doing your analysis. Have your color code ready so you know what kind of signal you are giving yourself and what you are waiting for. Alright, back to the daily chart while we move to CAD Yen. On Canada Yen on the daily chart, the market go into consolidation, head down to 4 hour. Market came down, went back up, break and close below the low price, and this is on the 1 hour. Back to the daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis, a very simple analysis as well. This is the resistance line, and this is a sharp pattern within the sell zone, a bit out of the sell zone. Let's see how it form up. It can have a candle with a wick touching it, came down close at this price. However, I don't wish to see that, right? Because by having that, then I will not have that nice of a profit opportunity. All right. You like this pace, guys? Comment down below. Even you are watching at the playback, feel free to comment as well. On the daily chart, on Pound Aussie, our last pair, the market did retest on the previous high. Look carefully, it did not break and close above the high, so it does give selling opportunity. To the 4-hour chart, there's a spike over here, then go into consolidation. All right. So for traders who are looking at these, they may be looking at buying opportunity because it went straight into the buy zone. But look at how much more you can buy up to the previous resistance compared to the other side. I'm not suggesting you going for either direction or to short just because of that. Do your analysis and follow your rules. Yeah. Head down to 1 hour. Very nice consolidation. All right. So later we can look closely if there is any opportunity. All right, on the daily chart, there is this gully pattern that complete at 8730. All right, shorting opportunity, selling opportunity. If you're already engaged and you have profited, congrats. To the 4-hour chart, there is a bearish back pattern. So to me, it's like yay, perfect for me. But this is more like a for 1 hour chart. All right, so it's a perfect bet opportunity, be it for 4 hour or 1 hour. It really depends how you see this. All right, counter trend trading opportunity. This will give fantastic reward. Is the risk should this develop. All right, so yep, that's pretty much, I believe. Let's see. If you are a crab pattern, you might have a crab trading opportunity down. Okay, this is the X leg. Alright, do your check on the data. If not, that's all I have for you. If you have questions like Rain, hey, do you teach and do you have sessions that I can go to? Yes, we do, and we have one session on 21st of May. Do your best not to miss it because we are getting a bit busy right now. Alright, and we have a few talks, opportunity and stuff like that. So do attend the session. It's from 7 PM to 10:30 PM. Register the link over here. Seats are limited. I do expect a full house this round as well. So do register and lock out your seats so that you can benefit from the session. I received great review and response for those who came. Alright, so till then, remember always plan your trade and share your plan. Share this page with your friends so more traders can benefit. Share on the timeline. Appreciate it. You guys are amazing, and I will see you soon on the next video.